In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out on the Thinkorswim chart. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open up the charts. Now, the easiest way to do this is hit your control key on your keyboard, and now on your mouse wheel, just simply go up and down. So if you scroll up, it's going to zoom into the chart. Now, if you scroll down, it's going to zoom out of the chart like so. Now, if you want to go ahead and move around, if you go ahead and try to move around like so, you can't. So what we can do is click onto drawings and then go to drawing tools and then hit the pan button. Now from here, we can zoom in and out and we can move around like so as well. Now, another way to zoom in and out is on the right hand side, we've got a bunch of numbers. So from here, we can go ahead and click on our left mouse key, and then we can move our mouse down and move it up higher as well. So that kind of zoom in and out of this chart. So that's a couple of different ways how to zoom in and out on the Thinkorswim chart.